In this video, we will explore top design styles for SaaS dashboard overview.
Securing your data can be difficult. You need to manage a lot of hardware and software, follow complex compliance regulations, and make sure data stays protected in any environment where the threat landscape is constantly changing. These are complex tasks, which is why Thales has developed an easier way to manage data protection.
Doesn't have to be. With Bartender, you can create, automate, and manage your entire labeling process. Easily create labels using Bartender's intuitive design tools and our exclusive intelligent templates. Bartender's 3 editions enable companies of all sizes, from micro businesses to global enterprises,
that propels your marketing, sales, and customer service professionals into productivity overdrive. Sugar is the only CX solution that combines data unification, data augmentation, and AI-based analysis on an integrated customer data platform to uncover and share actionable insights across every stage of the customer journey.
Generative eye disease that currently affects 196 million people worldwide, with this number being projected to increase to 288 million by 2040. AMD is irreversible, and patients suffer from varying stages of central vision loss as the disease progresses into the advanced stages.
Often with technologies from multiple vendors. However, market shifts and mounting regulatory scrutiny have highlighted the need to rethink data ecosystems to avoid poor trading decisions, fines, and even reputational damage. Our Market Data Monitor enables you to collect, analyze,
more powerful. Integrating data and electrical infrastructure brings so many new possibilities, but how does it work? Our equipment and electrical devices are natively connected. QR codes are located on all of our switchboards, giving access to key project information like single-line diagrams, instructions.
Can hinder productivity due to their lack of flexibility. To help work get done, we created new forklift solutions combining our Panasonic Toughbook tablets, industry-leading software, and professional mounting services designed to make operations smooth sailing and help workers meet shortened delivery times. Toughbook tablets are
of critical data, quickly detects and reports on security incidents or compliance deviations, and gives IT teams control of access to systems and data in order to meet ever-demanding cybersecurity regulations. Assure Security is a complete all-in-one product consisting of core
digital workflows, so employees and customers get what they need when they need it. Fast, simple, easy, creating great experiences and unlocking productivity for employees and the enterprise. ServiceNow simplifies the complexity of work on a single enterprise cloud platform, the Now Platform, the intelligent and intuitive cloud platform.
Personal health management requires increasing amounts of personal data. But today, this information cannot easily be used because the data are produced and managed by various healthcare providers, authorities, and more by citizens themselves.
Some guy in a fancy suit has a new tool that's going to solve all your IT problems. We don't blame you for ignoring yet another sales pitch. It's hard not to be cynical when you've been let down time and time again. But at Moogsoft, we get it. We know what it's like.
And supervising care, one click at a time. How can we enable the technology at our fingertips to save us time? With AlayaCare, you have built-in, ready-to-go tools that open up avenues to efficiencies. Use your preferred Forms tool apps to automatically add clients.
Investors and borrowers had the power to find each other in real time. What if there were no barriers to entry and back-office burdens were a thing of the past? What if liquidity could be accessed on demand? No intermediaries, no complicated contracts. Just expanded liquidity options for incremental yield and
a small manufacturing company, which means he has to be everywhere all the time. There is always a problem to solve, a question to answer, equipment to monitor, like the compressed air system that powers his production. Luckily, Bob has Atlas Copco SmartLink. It gives
or you want to build and deploy applications closer to your end users. AWS provides you the cloud infrastructure where and when you need it. As 5G networks are rolled out across the globe, enterprises and application developers will rely on its advancements in bandwidth and latency to deliver solutions like immersive gaming experiences.
Data wherever it resides, whether that's on-premise, in the cloud, or both. You design once, deploy anywhere. Today, storing and processing data in the cloud provides a fast, efficient way to increase the scalability, availability, and reliability of your data, enabling you to take on pressing challenges from
environment where employees can collaborate freely from any place at any time. What's not clear is the big picture, like what applications are in my environment, who are all the users, and where is data at risk of exposure. For IT and security teams, unmanaged app sprawl can lead to many challenges and manual processes that cost time and money,
while mitigating risk in rapidly changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you.
Team needs a tech hiring strategy that is based on evidence, not assumption. It scales across time zones and outside the office. This is where Codility comes in. Our tech hiring platform helps your team predict the real-life engineering skills of your candidates at scale, from the first touch you have with a potential providers.
Ensuring you can efficiently and reliably pay those partners is your lifeblood. For every gig, every stream, every photo, every referral, every click, and every piece of content, you need to guarantee your networked partner chain never breaks because of a payment issue.
Market liquidity, cost pressures, a search for returns in a low interest rate environment, and increasing regulatory oversight. Legacy technology, disparate systems, and a reliance on spreadsheets and manual processes reduce productivity and distract your teams from managing their investments.
Racing towards the future, you'll need all of your IT teams working together as efficiently as possible. That's why we're introducing Jira Service Management, the first end-to-end ITSM solution built entirely on the Jira platform. It helps visualize and accelerate the flow of work between support, developers, and operations teams.
At the right facility requires a lot of decision making. Harmony by Point Click Care is designed to ensure you can easily access all the information you need to do your job effectively. By streamlining the exchange of data between acute care and post-acute care facilities, we improve transparency and access to the patient information you need to effect.
Unprecedented and challenging time. Working from home is the new normal for property managers, their owners, and their residents. And having strong communication has never been more important. Property managers who care about their residents and team want to be proactive in communicating while transitioning to a new reality.
Are getting more and more customized every single day. But what about getting access to the things we sometimes spend months, or years, or even decades dreaming about? It's been a glitch of progress that the most profoundly personal financial moments have remained surprisingly impersonal. We believe there's a better way, and that our financial lives will soon be just as
stored for retention purposes. But they also need to be available on a moment's notice for customers. Transforming documents stored in inflexible formats for accessibility, retention, migration, or presentment purposes can be challenging using traditional methods. The processes are often costly and slow-moving.
Innovation is essential because innovation empowers us to proactively identify and address challenges, improving outcomes for you and all stakeholders. Innovating means collaborating with you and developing groundbreaking technology that can truly help make a difference. It's how we were able to provide virtual care
to the person who owns the stadium, to the man who streams it on TV. Just like everyone else, he wants to have a superior experience. Like this. Fantastic, uninterrupted, quality 5G network. An outstanding experience.